DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now, today's video is my living room clean and decorate with me. You guys, we're preparing for Christmas, so we're jumping right into the video. And as you can see, I'm just putting in my mounts so I can hang this heavy mirror, you guys. And you guys, this mirror is 90 pounds. It is super heavy, but I've learned a technique on how I can hang it myself. But I'm just going to mount it up now. I want you to follow me along as we clean my living room and decorate it for Christmas. And I'm going to tell you too, you guys, how I'm going to be bringing you excuse me, my Vlogmas videos. As you can see here, I'm doing my living room. I'll set the space up, clean it, decorate it, then I'll come back in the next video, you guys, and show you with me bringing in the trees and all of the Christmas decor. Some of the rooms will have to go through 2 to 4 different stages because we're going to be bringing in different things. So watch and listen to the music. Make sure you do stay tuned and drop me a comment. Now, if you know what direction, or you think you may know, that is, you guys, what direction I'm going with my Christmas 2022 theme, you guys, I'll see you guys in the comments. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue. Then you'll know every time that we are uploading a video. Also, drop me a comment if you're liking this first intro that we put up. We're still editing out the main intro for the channel for Christmas, and also the new 2023 intro as well. Alright, you guys, enough talking. Let's get this living room clean and decorated.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
First flake of snow is said to fall today. It comes Christmas time on high. In the falling snow, magic lights. Christmas time on high. In the falling snow, magic lights. Christmas time on high. In the falling snow, magic lights. Christmas time on high. In the falling snow. In hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. In hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Christmas time on high. In the falling snow.
And you guys, I hope you have enjoyed my living room cleaning decorate with me in preparation for Christmas 2022. Make sure you come back every day for Vlogmas. We're going to be bringing you daily content, and you're going to also get a few bonus videos in the first 7 days of Vlogmas. So you'll be getting those bonus videos, you guys, at 11 a.m. So make sure you're checking the channel if you're not getting your notifications at 11 a.m. And our regular content will be airing every day, you guys, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We hope to inspire, motivate, and amaze you for this Vlogmas season. Now, you guys, once again, I do hope you enjoyed what I created. Drop me a comment, and as you can see, I went Wonderland here in my living room. Make sure too, you guys, that you're following all of the Glam Queen channels, and that is the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor. Be on the lookout for the changes that we're bringing to both platforms. Also catch us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, and also TikTok as well, you guys. Alright, now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.